Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a beautiful 1968 Chevrolet True 138 Chevelle SS car, finished in tuxedo black with black interior. Killer car, South Carolina car, good solid straight body, nice car, guys. It one of those cars have to get a little explanation on. The body and paint are older on this car. They said that's about 6-7 years old. The drivetrain, a lot of the stuff, the interior, that stuff's all been done within the last year or so. So other than the body and paint, a lot of the stuff is actually a year old. Good solid straight body. Love black on black. I don't think there's anything prettier than black paint. It's the toughest thing to keep clean, but man, in my opinion, there's nothing prettier than an all black vehicle. You can see it's got 15-inch rally wheels on it. They're actually 15x8s, and it's got the Silvertown radial red lines. That's one of my only kind of complaints with the car. It's got 215s all the way around it. I'd probably put a bigger tire in that rear. I like them when they're staggered. I do like the flat caps though. If this is a factory 4-speed car too. Pretty car. Not a whole lot to really nitpick. Really hits the road good, and it runs, guys. This car will scoot. You can see the chrome and stainless is nice. Got new bumpers. Saw a couple little things you can kind of pick at in the paint. Yeah, there's a little scratch up here. Just, a few little things. Car's got a good look, man. Factory rear antenna. And I'll tell you one thing, they've had this car all apart. This is not the original color combination for the car, but you don't see any factory color anywhere. They've had this car completely disassembled. New bezels, and a couple little things like that as you walk around. I saw one little blemish there. It's straight down the sides. Sits good. Like I say, in my opinion, I put a little bit bigger tire on the rear. That car looks good, man. We need to clean down there than that crevice there. I love the deeper rallies with the flat caps. I love that look. They've converted it to disc brakes. Again, look at the paint. Paint's slick. I think this is a early 70s 396 block. Again, it is a factory Muncie 4-speed car. You can break that down through the trim tag. It has a Holley Performance dual feed 4-barrel on it, Edelbrock aluminum intake. Little cam to it, nothing crazy. It's got ceramic headers, power steering, and they converted to power front disc brakes, HEI distributor, chrome air cleaner and valve covers. They've upgraded. This is actually aluminum radiator with a shroud. Fun car to bang the gears in. It's got some horsepower, and it drives good. Direct SS hood on the car. Blemish right there. New mirrors, New door fuzzies. This might be the original door handle. This car's only got like 88,000 original miles on it. New door rubbers. Door seams are nice and clean. All new black legendary interior. New carpet, new sill plates. It's got the bucket seats, center console. It's got the correct T-handle shifter. Love that sport steering wheel in there. They've added seat belts to it. It was in '66, that's right. They didn't come standard with them. It's a good looking steering wheel, man. I don't know what those are, 300 bucks, 400 bucks. Yeah, 88,687. That's supposed to be the right miles on the car. Parking brake works, gauges work. Of course, it's got the cool knee knocker tach. It's got a Retrosounds radial. We didn't get that to come on, and it's got a clock in there that I don't think they got hooked up. Parking brake works. Magnaflow dual exhaust. It's got the factory 12-bolt 331 posi-traction rear end in it. I looked in here, and I think they put quarters on it, but I'll tell you what, they did a heck of a job. It's got full quarters on it. It's hard to see. Clean underneath. Floors look good. A little hat back in the back there has popped up. Make sure Eddie looks at that, gets put back down. These things are really nothing but cardboard, so it can be a pain in the butt. Bunch of new stuff coming, guys. Make sure you're keeping track of that website. All our social media. Well, those gauges are nice and clean. They've definitely redone all that stuff in there. Again, stock T-handle shifter. Center console looks great. Bet you those are original. You hear it fires right up. This thing runs and drives just as sweet as can be. It'll scoot. This thing gets with the program, that's for sure. Tach works. You can see all the gauges work. Holds good oil pressure. Again, that parking brake does work. The radio, but the blower motor does work. Wipers are functional. They need to be adjusted a little bit. It looks like it came down a little bit too far. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video.